They said, "You're too old to matter." That's what my own daughter whispered one day when we were all together, laughing and crying just like always. But I think it was more than that. It was the culmination of years of whispers, snide comments, and ignored birthdays. I remember the first time I felt like I was an afterthought. It was during a family dinner. My children were arguing over something silly, and my husband was too busy eating to care. So I sat there, alone at the table, feeling like I didn't belong anymore, like I was just taking up space. After that, things started to unravel. They divided the house, the money, but not a word for me. It was as if I had vanished. And you know what? It hurt. Oh, it hurt so much. But I didn't cry, I didn't yell. I just sat there and let the tears fall. Days turned into weeks, and weeks turned into months. I stopped sleeping in my own bed, started taking long walks at night to clear my head. I forgot how to laugh, how to smile, how to be me. But even in that darkness, something inside of me began to stir. It was like a seed had been planted years ago, and now it was time for it to bloom. I started working nights, helping others who were just as lost as I was. I found solace in their stories, in their tears, in their struggles. And slowly but surely, I started to rebuild myself. I stopped waiting for them to notice me, to care, to love. I started noticing myself. I started caring for myself, and that's when the quiet turn came. I sold the house, left it all behind. Started a new chapter, one where I got to decide what mattered most. I wrote my own will, not just a physical one but an emotional one too. I chose life, chose love, chose me. They haven't called since. But they say my name when they pray.